Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with ShopperInformer.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the VB80, an 8-alarm vibrating watch, a great product by eSeasonGear. Let's get right into it. So as mentioned, we've got a vibrating watch here that's going to allow you to set up to 8 different alarms throughout the day. So if you or somebody that you know has ADHD or some other type of medical condition where they're going to need consistent reminders throughout the day to take medications or whatever else it is that they need to do, then this is going to be the solution to that problem. So in the box, we've got our user's manual, a USB charge cord, and then we have the watch itself. So if we come in for a closer look on the watch, it's super low-key, minimalist design. It's got a real nice, super soft silicone band here. And on one side of the watch here, we've got some tactile buttons here that we're going to use to set the time, set the different alarms, and toggle through. But you can easily pop the actual watch piece out right here, which is also going to give you access to the USB port if you need to recharge it. Now this thing can last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. Respectively, that's going to depend on how many alarms you set throughout every single day. So you have a runtime anywhere between 1 to 4 weeks respectively as mentioned, depending on how many alarms that you've got. Now if you ever want to check the time, all you have to do is hit the right button and the time will show up. If you ever want to set the time, you can hold that for 3 seconds and that'll open up, and then you can come through and change the hours right here and toggle through and set your time appropriately. Hold it for a few seconds more and then you can go through and you can start to toggle through all the different minutes. And if you ever go past your time, you can use the other button, so it has up-down capability, which is nice. Hold it for a few more seconds, you can set the time. And you can decide here whether you want 12 or 24-hour type of clock. When it comes to setting an alarm, you can press the left button and you'll see it'll start here, and you're gonna go through and you can have 1, 2, up to 8 as we mentioned. A stands for alarm, alarm number that you're setting, with this be number 5 respectively, and then off or on will toggle when you hit the right button to toggle that particular alarm off and on. So if we are on alarm number 1, that's on, we're gonna set the time now, set the time, and then it'll skip up to the next one respectively if you're trying to set them all in sequence. If not, pause, don't let anything happen, it'll turn off, and now we're just gonna wait for the watch to go off. I'm gonna hold it next to the microphone so you can hear it vibrate. And so there it is. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Yeah, but for me, it's not very loud auditory wise, but it's a nice vibration, steady, it's firm. I understand what's going on, it's happening here. And actually this vibration will go for 40 seconds non-stop, just to make sure that you understand what's happening and that it's time, it's your trigger, it's time to take your meds or whatever you're doing. And if you want to stop it, press any button and the timer will set, and it'll come back at that next time, whatever your intervals are or wherever your alarms are set at. Now what I like about this watch is this low-key look. It doesn't look like jewelry or anything else, so it's super nice and discreet. It's got that first built-in timer that'll buzz for 40 seconds non-stop. Alarm profiles 2 through 8 will run for 20 seconds non-stop unless you happen to click the button ahead of time. It also has an IP65 splash-proof rating, so if you're washing your hands or whatever and you get it wet, don't worry, it's not going to fault or have any issues right there. So this is a real nice option whether you're an adult or a child to get those different reminders throughout the day. And one of the best things, no app is needed. You manually control everything. Set the time, set the alarms, set it, forget it, it's gonna work, and then occasionally recharge it as needed. So that's my review and opinion for the day, and to find more great reviews like this, don't forget to check out ShopperInformer.com. The link is down in the description.